That sounds like a lot of variety. How about we try a quick coding challenge? Maybe something simple in Python, like writing a function to check if a string is a palindrome.
Absolutely, let's do it. Palindrome checker is a nice little classic. Here's a simple Python function that can do that. To is palindrome C, we make it case insensitive and ignore spaces. Cleaned is just codes lower for C or if C is alanum, and check if the cleaned string is the same forwards and backwards. And return clean to cleaned if is reverse. Print is palindrome, a man, a plan, a canal, Panama. And there you go. This little function will tell you if a string is a palindrome. Feel free to throw any other challenges my way.
Nice. That's a clean and effective solution. How about we try something a bit different this time? Maybe a function to find the first non-repeating character in a string, also in Python.
Sure, let's switch it up a bit. Finding the first non-repeating character is a fun problem. Here's a straightforward way to do it in Python. We'll use a dictionary to count occurrences of each character. Char count. First pass, count each character. For char in C, if char count exists, just add 1. And second pass, find the first character with a count of 1. For char in C, if char count is 1, return it. If there's no non-repeating character, return none or some in the air. Example usage. Print first non-repeating character in Swiss. This should return W. And that's it. This function will go through the string, count the characters, and then find the first one that doesn't repeat. Let me know if you want to try something else.
That works perfectly. Maybe we try a different paradigm. How about something in a functional language, like Haskell, or even JavaScript with a functional approach?
Sure thing. Let's switch gears and do a functional style version. We could pick JavaScript and use a functional approach to solve the same first non-repeating character problem, just for fun. Here's how you might do it in a more functional JavaScript style. Can first non-repeating character is a look at.
Sounds
Split
great.
the string into an array of characters.
In functional JavaScript, we could use methods like split, reduce, and find to achieve that. It keeps the code more concise and declarative. Want to walk through an example?
Absolutely, let's walk through it. We'll use exactly those methods, keep it nice and functional and pretty concise. Here's an example in JavaScript. Can first non-repeating character, split the string into an array of characters. The chars are splitted, and use reduce to create a frequency map of characters. The char count is reduce is count. Count dar count is equal to 0 plus 1. And remember, use fives to get the first character with a count of 1. The result is a find char that char count is equal to 1, and return result, or null. So example use, console.log Swiss, outputs W. So in this approach, we're splitting the string using reduce to build a character count map, and then using find to locate the first character with a count of 1. It's pretty neat, and keeps things functional and declarative. Let me know if you want to try anything else.
That's a great way to do it. It really showcases the functional style. Since we've done Python and JavaScript, how about something more low-level, like C++ for a different challenge?
Absolutely. Let's go a bit more low level and do something in C++.